In this video, I want to show you a few things about using Alt F6 on domains. For the purpose of this video, I have 3 domains, 2 rooms connected by a corridor. There's a corridor, it's 128 tall, and there's 256 rooms. One is called My Dome 2, and My Dome 3. Arbitrary names, a little silly, but they're just for the purpose of this demo. So I have these rooms. Now, first I'm going to show you something that doesn't work. I'm going to go into Alt F6. I'm going to select region. I'm going to input a name, My Dome. That looks to be the same as on the region. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to change all floor, ceiling, and wall at the same time. So I'm going to turn this to yes. And then let's make it all blue. You'll notice that nothing is happening. That's because I typed it in lowercase letters. All right, that didn't work. What happens if I type in uppercase letters? It works. So you need to use uppercase when you're first doing a domain. And now we can make it turquoise by adding green and blue. We can bring it back to white by having red, green, and blue. Or we could take down the blue and make it yellow. However, I think that I would like to change the walls, ceilings, and floors separately. So I'm going to put these each on. Yes, yes, and yes. And let's make the floor red. Just arbitrary colors. And the ceiling will make green. And the wall colors, we will make blue. Just so we can see that these are changeable, independent. However, if I put this on yes for the use all, then these controls no longer work. I can't change them independently. They can only change together. Okay. So if we take that off, then we can change them independent. So you can do floor, ceiling, and walls together, or you can do them independent. And as we did before, we have the floor as red, the ceiling is green, and now we'll make the walls a nice blue. And let's add a little green to make it kind of turquoise. So that is a little tidbit about working with the Alt F6 for domains. If you're running into problems and things just aren't working, say to yourself, oops, I have to use caps. All right, editor's note. After you save this orb and re-enter the orb, you will be able to change my dome by using lowercase letters to look for it, because it finds it and then it converts to uppercase. So you can get away with it using lowercase, but it's not advisable. Make a habit when you're looking at finding a domain or object or wall, anything that you want to use with Alt F6, type in caps. It'll make your life a lot easier. If you have questions, get in contact with us and I will endeavor to answer. So, in summary, some of you that have been having sporadic or glitchy results with Alt F6, especially on domains, I suspect that it is the lowercase letters that are causing the problem. So if you switch to all caps, that should make things go much simpler. All right. Good luck.